In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to upload a YouTube banner on your phone to make your channel welcoming. Let's get started. What's up guys, my name is Jenrick Aquino and I'm a YouTuber who helps YouTubers specifically about mobile video creators. And in this video, we're going to be talking about YouTube banners and how to upload them using just your phone. So, YouTube banners, a lot of people are disregarding them because they think it's just a YouTube banner. But you should put a lot of thoughts into your channel art. YouTube gave you this opportunity to make your channel welcoming. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to upload a YouTube banner just using your mobile device. Let's dive into it. Alright guys, so the first step is to open any browser and type in youtube.com, which is basically going to take you to YouTube. And on the top right hand corner, click on the three dots and click on desktop site. Once you're there, it's basically going to turn your mobile app interface into a desktop interface. And as you can see on the top right corner, there's your profile picture. Now, it might be tricky to click it. So what you want to do is pinch and zoom and click that profile picture and click your channel. It's basically going to take you to your channel. Now zoom out, and as you can see on the top, it's your YouTube channel art. Now click on your channel art, and on the middle it says select a photo from your computer. Click on that and select files, and then choose the file that you wanna upload, and it's already uploading. Now after you upload it, it's gonna tell you what it looks like on a desktop, on a TV, and on what it looks like on a mobile device. Make sure it looks good on a mobile device. And right here, click on select and zoom out. And as you can see, you have changed your YouTube channel art. After putting thoughts into your YouTube channel art, it's now time to put thoughts into your YouTube thumbnails. So click the video on the screen now, because those are my top 5 best thumbnail maker apps. And as always, stay home, stay safe, have fun creating, and I'll see you next time.